Hey guys, it's me, Siri. Oh, don't mind this. I was just trying these high heels. Today we're gonna learn how to do makeup. Do you guys know how to do it? I have a brother, and he's kind of a little bit noisy in his car, but it's okay. Don't matter. He's just a baby. He doesn't know stuff. So let's get on our video. First, go here, and then we keep our hair extensions on the glorious sides. See? Now you're looking all so pretty and shiny. And then you go backwards again. And now, time for the lipstick. The lipstick makes your lips super beautiful. But first, and it's really clean it up with your finger. And then crease the lipstick. Your favorite color makes you beautiful. Write it properly without spilling it on your face. So look at your mirror. And glossy lipstick. Then in the scratch, just carefully go over your lips. Then do some lipstick around your eyes. Just in case the lipstick is too small, you can increase it. And I look super cute. Time for the nails. First, take so much color you brought from the store. Then apply it to your hands in a rich color. And choose one color. Then open the lid and paint it on your finger. First, take an empty hand. Still one hand to do the glitter paint. They made it kind of shallow. Can't really see. It's see-through yellow. We didn't mind nails, but they wiped out, and the nail polish wiped out, and you had a mistake. Just repaint it with your favorite color you bought. We bought some stuffed animal for me as a fashion girl. Don't mind that, it's just an accident. And then keep painting your thumbnails with glitter. Keep dipping it in glitter. We shopped at the mall for a lifetime when I was hurt on my foot. And I was able to walk, and we had a fun day. And we ate ice cream. And we did everything else that's done. And then keep painting until your nails are fully glittered. Yellow that I'm writing on my nails, and V, yellow, light purple, blue, dark purple, and simple pink. That's all, simple pink. And this is the brush of the main yellow. So that's all for today. Subscribe to my channel and I'll upgrade more videos.